if you are running a Shopify store and do you want to prevent the spy tools to inspect your website or to assess your website data, then watch this video. I will guide you how are you able to block PPSPY. It's a spying tool. And how are you able to block Ali Hunter. It's also a spying tools that hunt products. And the third tool that I am going to block on my Shopify store is called Commerce Inspector. So welcome back to Ecom Ranks. If you want to get information about all this, then this video would be mind-blowing for you. So keep watching till end. Okay, so now I will show you that this is the website that I have, and right now I have installed an extension PPSPY tool, and it's showing the data of my products, what are my total number of products. And if I click on this live sale, it will show the data of live sales and the orders I have received and all other things. And this if I click on this product, it will show all of my products data and what are best selling products, and all those details will get shown using this tool and all these sales data. So I want to block it. So right now the PPSPY is working, and I will block it by adding some script. So to block it, we have to go back to our Shopify store, and from here you have to click on the themes, and from here you have to click on these three dots and must duplicate a theme before adding any script. Okay, so after duplicating a theme, you have to click on these three dots and then you have to click on this edit code button. Once clicked on it, you have to open this file theme.liquid. I have opened it, and there would be an head tag and there would be an closing head tag. You just need to add scripts over here. I will leave link within my video description of my blog. What you have to do is you have to go down, copy the script. Let me copy it, and then you have to paste it over here, and then press enter to add some space, and then you have to copy these both scripts, and then you have to paste it over here. So basically what I have do is I have added three scripts. This is one script, second one, and the third one. Here you have to add a link to your domain or your home page, or simply just copy it and paste it over here. Once pasted, hit on save button. Okay, so the scripts has been added. This will add a lot of protection and a lot of security to your store. So the other thing we have to do is we have to go to the apps section and install some of the apps. Let me open my apps. So the two apps that you have to install it is called Spicy. After installing it, let me open it. And you just need to do it. You just need to enable this app. Okay, I have already enabled it. So it says that there is nothing here yet. So when you will install this app for the first time, they will ask to enable it. You just need to open it and enable that option, and that's it. And let me move back, and then the second app you have to install it is called Cozy Anti-Theft. Click on it and let me open this app. Basically it will disable the right click so that no one is able to right click on your website and open the details. Okay, and protect store images, text, copy and paste. So click on open app. Once clicked on it, you have to enable all these options like this. I have already enabled all these options, and then you have to hit the save button. Both of these apps are free to use. This way you are able to add a lot of security to your Shopify store. No one is able to spy your store, but still there is no 100% solution so that the spy tools won't inspect or won't spy your website. They are built for the spying, so they usually find ways to spy the website. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment box, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.